German Chancellor has lost his head. He's going to get a headache somewhere else instead, and he will be retiring very soon to join a certain Kaiser down in Doon. Adolf, you've bitten off much more than you can chew. Come on, hold your hand out, we're all fed up with you. Adolf, you toddle off, and all your Nazis too. Or you may get something to remind you of the old red, white, and blue.
Blimey.
And all you toddle off, and all your Nazis too. Or you may get something to remind you of the old red, white, and blue.
The St. Louis Blues, the Bye-Bye Blues. I've had 'em all, yes sir, the big and small. They all were good, you must allow. But oh brother, there's another now. I've got the Home Guard Blues. I've got the Home Guard Blues. On sentry go in the night. If it's wet, the water trickles down your neck to where it tickles, and the raindrops ooze through your socks and shoes. If you're feeling on the black side with the wind around your ear, oh, then you'll get those Home Guard Blues. I've got the Home Guard Blues. I've got the Home Guard Blues. On sentry go in the night, when the sergeant's wife a beauty said, now you must do your duty. How could I refuse his wife to amuse? But she found me rather lacking and then said, come on, get cracking, or I'll get those Home Guard Blues. And got such a filthy answer, oh what words to use. I blushed to my shoes. I said, pass friend sweet as sugar. He replied, shut up you blighter, now I've got those Home Guard Blues. Yes sir.